Hello friends, welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. So in today's video, we will see how to arrange your pre-pages of your NTCC report. In the previous video, I had told you about how to make your thesis cover. If you have not watched that video, then I'll be sharing the link in the description box. You can go and have a look at it. So starting with the very first page, that is mentioning all your details, and these pre-pages format is given by the Amity itself. The format should be the same, and the most important thing is the signature of your IFC and the director. Now the second page is the certificate. This is the certificate which you get from the company in which you have done the internship. The time period should be mentioned clearly for which duration you have worked. Now the third page is your plaque certificate. When you get your plaque below 50, then you can get the sign of IFC and the faculty in charge. And I repeat, all these Amity University pages are pre-pages which are given by the faculty in charge itself. Now the next page is the certificate. The previous certificate was the one which was given by the company in which you have done the internship, but this is the one which Amity people give the pre-pages format. Coming to the next page is the declaration page, in which you mention your topic and then you mention your teacher's name under which you have worked. And the next page is the acknowledgement page. In this page, basically, you are thankful to every person who have helped you, and another important thing in this is that you mention your name. Now all these pages were pre-pages. Now comes the table of content, that is very important. The sequence of your work is very important, starting with the introduction and then your review of literature, and then all the topics which you have covered in your report should be clearly specified in your table of content, that is your index. It includes the references, your synopsis, and the weekly progress reports as well. Next important thing is the list of figures and the list of tables which are there in your report. You have to mention them along with their specified page numbers. So this was the formatting of pre-pages. Now another important thing which you have to remember while you format these pages is how to mention the page number. So starting with the very first page, you mention the page number in Roman numbers, as you can see. The next page, which was the certificate page, there is no page numbering on this page. You directly come to the next page in which there was plaque certificate. You mention the second page number, that is again in Roman number. Now the next one, again the third page number, and then the fourth page number for the declaration page, fifth page number for the acknowledgement page, and then for the table of content you mention the page number again, 7th and 8th. And after this, you don't mention the page number in Roman numbers. The page number starts serial wise, that is from page number 1 onwards. So in this video, I have discussed how to format the pre-pages of your report. In the next video, I will discuss how to make the report and also how to arrange the WPRs and references and all. I hope you find this video useful, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.